see, your feet are blue.
What is this? It was so much fun getting slime.
Oh boy, what happened to you?
Oh my.
Oh my goodness! Look, I'm blue for the rest of the day. I think I brought a long skirt for dinner tonight.
Super blue. How was that?
Can I take the slime cap thing off?
How was that? Was that so cool?
Do you want to dry yourself off a little?
That slime basically just felt like water.
Yeah.
Yeah, not water. Slime, water. I think I'm dry enough.
It looks like you killed a Smurf.
I'm like She-Hulk. I'm turning into She-Hulk.
You turned it into She-Hulk?
It was blue.
Why didn't you do it?
So, you know, I didn't do it because we didn't think Max and Emma wanted to do it. So somebody was going to have to stay with the kids. That's really it. Otherwise, I totally would have done it, guys. Comment below. Tell me. You know I would have done it. But let us know if you would have done it.
Hey, you ready, guys?
I'm ready.
That was fair. Let me try again.
Do the crunchy one.
Trying again. Oh, wait.
Wow, good job. There it goes. Wow, you did it.
Oh, the crunch is so good.
Hey, do you guys know what a slime mirror is?
Bringing slime with me.
Alright, let's go check out the slime mirrors.
I like this.
It's easy to get distracted, guys. There's so many slimes around you can touch and play with.
Sand.
It's so
There's
cool.
also kinetic.
I know, we saw the sand right there, kinetic sand. This one's a jelly. All right, let's check it out. Come on, bud. What? Oh my goodness.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Wait, who's the slime person there? Hi guys, it's me, Slime Man. I'm just standing here with my belly. Look at my belly. Oh, I changed color. Look at my belly, guys. Wait, is that mommy? Oh, yeah, little Cece there, little Cece. Slime belly. I just like the moves you guys are doing.
It's like
It's like Batman.
Purple guy.
Purple guy, that's it. Cece, what is this area for? Is this to make your own slime?
Yeah, guys, this is my favorite slime, icy slime. Same with me, I love icy slime. Well, I kind of like butter slime a little more, but I want to make an icy slime.
Guys, they say icy is the best. I'm gonna check it out. Let's see. Whoa, that feels so weird.
Put it up to your ear.
Why? Let's see.
It makes the best noises.
Ugh.
I like this one.
It does feel kind of cool. I don't know. Look, like, check it out, guys. Look. It is kind of smooth. What's that? The cloud cream.
Cream. This is what I'm gonna make.
Oh, it is creamy, yeah.
Icy for him too, so he has the
Wait, you
same.
guys are picking your slimes out?
I got icy slime.
Icy, what'd you get?
Mine is icy slime and
Me.
Oh, cloud for you?
Cloud cream.
Oh, what did Max
What are
get?
you getting, Dada?
Max got icy. I got him the same.
What are you getting, Dada?
Yeah, what are you gonna
I don't, cloud or icy? What should I get? I do like the cloud.
You got
Cloud? Okay, I'll get cloud. That was hard, guys. That was hard. Thank you.
So now, you want to use your nose and smell this whole wall of scents. Whichever scent's your favorite, then you know. All right, we can make it
Snip.
smell.
There was a Christmas tree one and a pumpkin pie one.
Okay.
You smelling them, buddy?
Oh, look, the witch's brew.
Yeah, it smells like cinnamony.
Marshmallow cream, birthday cake.
New baby.
Does it smell like dirty diapers?
Actually, it does smell. It smells like baby powder, which is basically what diapers smell like.
Guys, I'm gonna grab the cotton candy.
You're picking cotton candy?
Yes.
Which one are you gonna pick?
This one, I don't know what it is.
Jasmine?
Yeah, jasmine.
Ooh.
So good.
Let's get a sniff of that. I think I'm gonna pick Ocean Breeze. Which
I am
one are
too.
you gonna pick?
Ocean Breeze. Great minds think alike.
How come you want Ocean Breeze?
Because it smells good.
It does smell good. And I love the ocean. Color.
Color.
Ooh, color
Okay.
time.
I know what colors go.
That should be the easiest part for me. Color. Look at all these colors, guys. Come on down that way. Are we cooler or
There's some good jams. Whatever's closest to red. Chocolate? Which one do you want? All right, that's fine. He wants red, but that's the closest we can get.
what color you got, man?
The white.
What about C? What about C?
White.
White?
Should I do blue one or white one?
Hey, I'm curious. What color are you gonna get?
I want to say blue, but
What?
I think I'm gonna go, ooh, aqua. No,
Yeah.
fine, I'll get
I'm gonna
neon.
get Craft Aqua
I'll
because
get,
of the ocean. I love that color in the ocean. Caribbean color. Let's go, bud.
see all these things on the wall? You guys can pick 3. So pick 3 that you like, and then remember the numbers, okay? Let's see if there's anything Mario-ish for me.
This is gonna be hard, babe.
I know
There's
a lot
so
of them.
many options here. We gotta try to find some Mario for Max. I don't know. Let's see. Look, we got some food. We got some sushi in here. Oh, yeah, there's some sharks.
What, baby?
How's it going, see?
Guys, wanna know what I picked, guys?
What?
I picked this cute little Mario guy. You can't see him because of the slime. Taken over by slime. And I picked this pretty like shell thing. Chocolate cupcake.
I love it. Max, you want to take it out to mix it better? Go ahead, take it out of your container.
Max, you want to see my turn?
Yeah, let me see
I
your
got this shell. I smell this color. I might see mine there. This pink and blue heart.
Oh,
Getting all my color out.
I don't think the ASMR is going to work. It's kind of loud in here. Somebody over there is getting slimed. So it's really loud. As if you guys couldn't tell already. But yeah, the girls added some colors in there. Some cool turquoise. That's really shimmering too. Look at Cece. Look at Cece's fingers. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at yours, buddy. Are you so excited about yours?
Yeah, mine like yeah.
Babe, I know you don't normally want to show your feet on video, but I feel like the people need to see what your feet look like because it's crazy. Look, guys, I don't think the camera does any justification. You look like an avatar.
I just
Like you're
and I sent it to my sister and I said, should I go to the hospital? With no other explanation.
like you are turning blue, like you're turning into an avatar.
Violet, you're turning violet.
See my slime?
Look what I made.
Wow, cool, buddy.
I just made a bubble. Let me show you. Think I can do it again?
supposed to smell like fruity candy, even though it's this color. This is sand? Clear snow fizz. Oh my, this is tough.
This is real ASMR.
Whoa. Whoa, this stuff is, oh careful buddy. This stuff is stiff. Oh, you guys found a big old tub of icy slime.
I just want to put it in my sink, but I'm not gonna.
You take a chunk. I won't tell. Blue Hawaiian Punch.
It smells really bad. Can you take my bracelet? I don't want to get it.
It's a little late, kid. Squishy pool. Here, you want me to hold your slime for you, bud? I know, you could go in there. You can walk on that slime. Oh, does it feel weird?
It doesn't feel good?
Feel it nice. Oh, sorry. Yeah, buddy. Oh, is it so weird? It's a big strawberry.
Look at that slime.
Oh, did you hear the sound your foot just made? What's this guy doing?
Where'd you go, bud?
He's just punching through. Oh, there he goes.
You alright, big guy?
He's alright. This guy's like a bull. Look at Max climbing through those things. He's like a ninja. This one's nice.
Is it crunchy?
Yeah, but it's also really stretchy. I'm watching you, bud.
So I go under this and then
Hold on. Like I'm making a pizza pie here. You see me? I'm making
Oh, you got a hole in your toe.
Oh my goodness.
I feel up from the jump, the slime jump.
You gonna be a boxer? What are you brushing on him? Do you believe this?
I do believe it.
You do?
Yeah.
He is crazy.
For his birthday, I'm gonna get him a punching bag.
Punching bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, better the punching bag than the sister.
Sushi.
So cute.
I might.
Boba slime kits.
This is probably going wrong.
Oh, look at this little s'mores one. It's got eyeballs. Oh my god, I love it. And the donut. What is this? Crushed peacock.
So this one's a Sloo Moo swirl. The toolkit.
A shark one.
A shark one.
Look at the shark one.
Whoa. This one's called Fancy Pants.
What's this?
What? It's kinetic sand.
What's this kinetic? You want to get a slime? No. Oh, this one's cool too.
Wow, those clear ones are really cool, right?
I think I know which one I'm gonna get.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm going free. Nana, can I buy this?
Whoa, let me see this one. Whoa,
shark.
crushed peacock. Okay. Oh, I don't know. Maybe.
Mama
Is it
said
your birthday or something?
yes. Can I please? Look at this shark. Can I buy this one?
Whoa, let me see that.
How pretty it
What
is.
is it? Birthday cake top. Whoa.
It's so pretty. Can I
What's
buy
on
it?
top?
I think it's like this birthday cake. Can I have it?
What is it, your birthday or something?
No, I just like it.
How many days to your birthday?
I don't know, something. I think it's 11 or 10.
Okay.
Yay!
There's a lot of cool stuff here, guys. I mean, if you guys ever made slime or into slime, they have like all these little kits which are really cool.
Ours turns into liquid.
Yeah, we're not the best at making slime by any means, but they have a lot of kits here and recipes on how to make it. It's really cool stuff. Guys, we want to thank you for coming along with us. If you're ever in New York City, check out the Sloo Moo Institute. I had a lot of fun. Did you guys have a lot of fun?
Yes!
They had so much fun. We got our slimes. They decided they needed to buy more slime for some reason. I don't know. I thought maybe we were going to leave the slime here and not in my house.
Wrong.
I guess I was wrong, guys. As always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos. And we'll see you guys next time.